Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a chili red metallic 2017 Buick Envision Essence, stock number A7184. You've got factory fog lights up front. The hood is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches. There is a polished alloy rim that is wrapped in a Michelin tire. Inside you have a black leather upholstery, and that's in fantastic condition. There is seating for 2 in the front row, and you have seating for 3 back in the second row, making this a 5-passenger Buick. You do also have rear climate controls here on the back of the center console. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. There is a backup camera here. And then taking a look inside the trunk, as you can see, it is very clean. That second row seating folds into a 60-40 split, so that'll give you lots of extra space when needed. You do also have a power liftgate here, so it's as easy as the push of one button to get that trunk open and closed. And the reason that I'm showing you this Buick today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. On the driver's side door, you have buttons for memory seating. You have your usual power amenities. There are power lumbar adjustments and carpeted floor mats. And stepping inside, to the left of the steering wheel here, you have cruise control buttons. To the right, you have audio controls. There is a push button start here. Coming up above the rear view mirror, you have HomeLink garage door opener buttons, and this is equipped with OnStar. You've got a great touchscreen display here. This is where your backup camera will show. There is a CD player along with an AM/FM radio. You have capabilities for OnStar navigation. This is equipped with a wireless Wi-Fi system, and you can also control your climate from here. Coming down underneath of that, there are dual climate controls. You've got buttons for heated front row seating as well. This is an automatic transmission. Your engine is a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, which in highway mileage gets you around 28 miles per gallon. If you'd like to get more information on this Buick or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com, where you'll also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.